that? Oh, it's the Fritz. Oh, Fritzy. Are you playing some tunes? Yeah. Oh, okay. Did you push that over here? Oh, I see. Did you push that over here? It won't go any further? Uh-oh. Let me move that for you. Okay. How's that? Look, now you can walk. Do, 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 do. Oh, no. You come over here and see me? Hello. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, here comes Brian getting into the action, as usual. Hello, Fritzy. What are you doing? You're playing with Brian. Oh, there's Brian giving you some kisses. He likes you. You guys are pals, huh? Yay! Yeah, freaking out. What do you got over you?